Welcome to the third day of the Renaissance induction ceremony. The orchestra, sponsored by Mrs. Margrave, will perform The Prayer by David Foster. The following students have attained the Renaissance Gold card level. They have maintained all A's for the second 9 weeks. They will receive a gift from Tiger Market, Sonic, Raising Cane's, and Texas Roadhouse, and the chance to win a gift card from CC's, Nukes, Not Just Pie, and a $20 gift card from Tiger Market.
The winners of the gold card raffles are Wilson Yates has won a gift from CC's, Emma Street has won a gift from Nukes, Millie Zorzi and Daniel Briard have both won a free slice of pie from Not Just Pie, and John Ewing has won a $20 gift card from Tiger Market. The winners of the teacher raffles are Coach Caesar, who has won a $20 gift card from Fieldhouse, Mr. Flukies, who has won a $25 gift card from Trios, Mr. Schultzman, who has won a $25 gift card from Warehouse Restaurant, and Coach Craig, who has won a $50 gift card from Muffin Tin. You may pick up your prize from Mrs. Bullock in her office.
At this time, the National Honor Society, sponsored by Mrs. Beth Smith and Mrs. Anna Rambin, would like to recognize the distinguished students and teacher for the month of January. Mr. Mahmoodian will now recognize Timothy Daniels, the student of the month for the month of January.
I would like to proudly announce the Neville Student of the Month for November, Timothy Daniels. I nominated Tim because he's one of my favorite types of students, which is a grinder. He learns not out of just necessity, but because he enjoys doing it, and I appreciate that about you, Tim. You're going to give a lot back to the world, and that's all I can really ask of you, all right? Thank you. You deserve it. I'll see you later, bud. Be good.
The National Honor Society will now recognize their Teacher of the Month for the month of January. Coach Ben Rogers, nominated by Pippa Morriston.
The Neville National Honor Society would like to recognize Ben Rogers as Teacher of the Month for the month of January. I remember when I first met Coach Rogers my freshman year when he taught me civics. Transferring from a private school to a public school was a big change, and he made sure Neville felt like home. Coach Rogers not only does great in the classroom, but coaching the Lady Tiger soccer team as well. Thank you for all that you do.
At this time, we would like to welcome Dr. Dawson as she introduces our Student of the Year.
Hello, Neville Nation. I'm honored to be here today congratulating Anna Grace Hanson for being selected as not only the Neville Student of the Year, but also the High School Student of the Year for the entire Monroe City school system. Anna Grace is most deserving of this title. In addition to being academically capable and a notable athlete, she also has a heart for serving others. While being an outstanding softball player and varsity cheerleader, both activities requiring much time and practice, Anna Grace was taking all of the AP and DE courses she could take and maintaining her 4.0 GPA. Anna Grace is a fierce competitor and a dedicated scholar, but it is her giving nature that sets her apart. Even during this pandemic, she has found ways to serve. As president of the National Honor Society, she has spearheaded several service projects for both her school and her community. For instance, she led a campus cleanup when one of the hurricanes came through during the hurricane season. And during the Christmas holidays, she and a group of students sent Christmas cards to the nursing home residents. Plus, they also wrapped gifts for underprivileged children. While keeping up her GPA, being an athlete, and serving others, she still finds time to help maintain Neville's social media sites. She is truly a busy young lady. In the words of Mrs. Sandifer, although we have many admirable students in the class of 2021, Anna Grace Hanson truly embodies all that is best and brightest about Neville High School. Congratulations, Anna Grace, you deserve it.
And now your principal, Coach McCarty.
And now an opportunity to congratulate our Teacher of the Year. This year's Teacher of the Year is Mr. Karari Hanks. What an outstanding example of what a Teacher of the Year should be. Mr. Hanks is not only an excellent teacher, he's an excellent mentor, he's an excellent teammate, he's an excellent example of what we look for in a great teacher here at Neville High School. Mr. Hanks, keep up the good work. Your students recognize what you're doing. Your faculty recognizes what you're doing. The community recognizes the great work that you put in each and every day at Neville. We thank you for everything. Congratulations, Mr. Hanks.
Mrs. Diane Martin with the library will now announce the winner of the AR raffle.
Good morning, everybody. We've got the drawing for the second 9 weeks for the Kindle Fire HD10 for those students who met their second 9 weeks AR goals. So congratulations to all of you. Before we do that drawing, Let me remind y'all that for Valentine's, we will give chocolates for 100 on AR quizzes today and tomorrow. So come on by when you can to get that. Okay, now, Mr. Ward is going to draw our name.
Oh. Congratulations to Aya Casa.
Okay, Aya, please come by the library as soon as you can and pick up the Kindle Fire. Thank you.
We would like to once again thank all of our local businesses that support this Renaissance program. Please go out and support these businesses. Also, congratulations again to all of the Renaissance members. We are so proud of you. Lastly, we would like to share with you some of the responses of our Renaissance members when asked about their best experience here at Neville High School.